Welcome to I Like Signing Songs. Want to help your toddler communicate before they can talk? BSL, keyword sign, red. Let's try red. One more. Red. BSL, keyword sign, blue. Let's try blue. One more. Blue. BSL, keyword sign, yellow. Let's try yellow. One more. Yellow. BSL, keyword sign, green. Let's try green. One more. Green. BSL, keyword sign, orange. Let's try orange. One more. Orange. You're doing great. BSL, keyword sign, purple. Let's try purple. One more. Purple. BSL, keyword sign, pink. Let's try pink. One more. Pink. Fantastic BSL, work. Keyword sign, black. Let's try black. One more. Black. BSL, keyword sign, white. Let's try white. One more. White. BSL, keyword sign, brown. Let's try brown. One more. Brown. Nice signing. Let's go through them again together. Red. One more. Red. Blue. One more. Blue. Yellow. One more. Yellow. Green. One more. Green. Orange. One more. Orange. You're doing great. Purple. One more. Purple. Pink. One more. Pink. Keep going. Black. One more. Black. White. One more. White. Brown. One more. Brown. Should we try that again? Now, a little bit faster. Ready, steady. Red. Blue. Yellow. Green. Orange. Purple. Pink. Black. White. Brown. Nice signing. Well done, everyone. You did so well today. Come back for more singing and signing with I Like Signing Songs. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please.
With I Like Signing Songs.